Hello all, welcome again to my channel, and this is Ayush. And if you're first on my channel, then please subscribe Coding with Ayush and stay tuned for more videos. Like, share and subscribe. So let's get started with our Techport app part 3. So in the last part we are done with this much, and I have added some stickers. That's only for just fun. So in this we are going to code for our chatting app. So we are doing it in three different ways. The one is using the cloud database, and another is using the Firebase, and one more another that is by using, and we will create a web host, and we will just simply using the web view. We will be pasting the URL on the web view one, and we will able to chat. So the web viewer part will be not available to you, as the our channel is not being 51. So if you will do my channel above 51 subscribers, then I will publish that video, and so please make me popular and wait for the 51 subscribers. So in every subscribing like 5100, I will be giving you some techniques and some like app development course, and I will be learning you next another topics. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's get started. So we are on the coding block. So first, one button, one click, like the send click, then cloud db append value and tag. Okay, so we have to make a tag. So the tag is chat. Okay, so I have this already, and right in the okay. So before creating this tag, we have to initialize three variables. Okay, three variables, as I have these three. And first is chat list, the global chat list as I have done with this chat list. And then is join, and the next one, that is the main important, is username. Okay, so without the username we can't define the users or the profile and that other. Okay, so we are giving each value to everything. Okay, so first, we in the chat list we have to create an empty list, and go global join to false, and the username to let it to be one, two, okay. So this we have done, and now first we have to delete this, and we have to drag an if block, if then not, and get join. Okay, not get join, and so on. So we have to drag another if condition, and an is empty function, and an if not text box one dot text empty. So then what should be happen? So the what should be happen? The same thing that is done over here is as same as we are joining, like in the WhatsApp we join, something like that. So like in this we are saying that if the text box one is not empty, then we have to set global joined to true. Okay, so then the user will be automatically joined, and the set global username to something text box one dot text. So this here we have used at the rate user123, that is a default, and now we are going to code for a true block. So we have to drag one more block, that is a notifier, and like show notice. We have to show notice what the notice should be, and that is you have joined your chat. Okay, so join your chat. So now we are going to build a, yeah, means the important part of our app, that is the cloud DB. Okay, the cloud DB we are going to do. So cloud DB append value. First, that not joined, we have to need an else block. Inside that else block, we would be adding our all tag and other things required. So I'm giving up this as chat, and you have to join items, right? So I need one more string, the string, and a text area, and here I'm giving 3 minuses to separate the username and his message. So join text box under text and get global username. Where is it? Get global username. Okay, so now we have to, after when the button click, then in the WhatsApp we have seen right, like that it would be visible to us, like the text box will be cleared after every messages, so we have to do that. So dragging text box on dot text block and text the text to nothing. So this we have done for our the chat, and now we have to work on the heart of this app, that is the cloud DB connection. So before that, we are dragging a Typhon notification. Just for a fun, I am using this extension, and if you want, then only you can add, or else you can skip this part. So after editing, there would be meeting. Okay, and so we are dragging a next block, that is screen for initialize. So when the screen for is open, so then the cloud DB get tag. You have to get a tag. Tag is what? The chat. So simply we have to drag it and paste it over here, and we need a create empty list, this one. So we have initialized our screen. So we are dragging one more block, that is cloud DB got value, and drag an if condition, and is equals to, and get tag is equals to, oops, our chat then what should be happen? So then we will set the global chat list data to get value. Okay, and the elements, the list viewer elements to, oops, to get global chat data list. Okay, and we have to same copy paste this code to another. So let me drag it to the bottom because the space is not enough. So now we have to drag that data change. So then we have to same copy paste, right? Same copy paste it. So however, our app is done. So as we will be meeting on the next video of this app, and in that we would be using Firebase connection. Okay, so the Firebase is done with us earlier in the first video. So we would be not we will be avoiding Firebase, and we will be doing it with a massive connection, that is Bluetooth. With the Bluetooth we will try to make a chat app. Okay, so guys, meet you later, and if you are first on my channel, please subscribe my channel and make me a popular YouTuber. And when we reach the 51st subscriber, then I would be telling you a massive way to create an app that would be surprisingly reported to you. So stay tuned with me. Meet you later, guys. Bye bye.